Viewers, welcome to another mathematics presentation. In this presentation, we are going to answer a question coming from probability. So this is the question. The question reads, in Jane class, there are 12 girls and 10 boys. A person's name is chosen at random. What is the probability that the person is A, a boy, B, a girl, C, Jane? So here let us look at the solutions. So in order for us to find the probability of picking a boy, okay, first of all, we are going to find the total number of outcomes. So the total number of outcomes, we are going to add. So how many girls do we have? We have 12 girls. And how many boys? 10 boys. So the total number of outcomes, we are going to have 12 plus 10, and this will give us 22. So this will be the total number of outcomes. So to find the probability of picking a boy, we are going to write, so how many boys? The total number of boys that we have is 10 right here. Okay, so to find the probability of picking a boy, you are going to get the total number of boys, that is 10. We divide by the total number of outcomes, which is a 22. Okay, so this will give us, we can simplify 2 here to give us a 5, then 2 into 22 to give us 11. So this is our answer. So you can either write 10 over 22 or 5 over 11. So we have answered the probability of picking a boy. Let us now look at our question B. So our question B, we need to find the probability of picking a girl. Okay, so we are doing the same here. To get the total number of girls, here we have been told that the total number of girls, there are how many? 12. Okay, so get 12 over the total number of outcomes, which is a 22 right here. So this will be divided by 22. So we can simplify. 2 here, we are going to have 6. 2 here, we are going to have 11. So we are going to have 6 over 11. So this will be the probability of picking a girl. Now, we come to our last question. So our last question is saying, what is the probability of picking Jane? Okay, so here from the question, we can read, we are told that in Jane's class, there are 12 girls and 10 boys. So we are looking at girls. Jane is a girl. Okay, so in Jane's class, so since here we only have Jane, we only have one girl called Jane. So I'm going to write the total number of outcomes. So this is how we're going to write our answer. So we are answering for C, a bit of picking Jane. Okay, so we only have one girl called Jane. So we have 1 over, what is the total number of outcomes? It's C, 22. Okay, so this will be the probability of picking what? Jane. So we have answered our 3 questions. So from what we have answered, we can, so it is important that we must note that if we add, we get the probability of the boy. Okay, and we add with the probability of getting a girl. Okay, this should always give us what? 1. Okay, this would give us a 1. So that is, if you get a probability of a boy, we said it's 5 over 11, plus the probability of a girl is 6 over 11. So this will give us 5 plus 6. This will definitely give us 11 over 11. And when you divide 11 into 11 to give us a 1. Okay, so we are done answering this question. So the reason why we have gotten a 1, it is because we have covered all the possibilities. So the students must be either a boy or a girl, and therefore the outcome is a certainty. Okay, so we have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.